Hello, this is Nozebi again, and I'm back to your timeline. So I'm just going to continue from the previous video, which is the part 2 of how to come down to the UK, or the 10 tips of getting your dream job here in the UK. So I couldn't finish the second video, so this is more like the part 3 of the video. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue from gap in employment. So for instance, if you've had any gap in employment, do not hesitate to tell them that you've had gap in employment. Yeah, then if you've not had any too, also let them know that you've not had any gap in employment. Then the next thing you want to be talking about is the supporting information. And like I said, the supporting information is the spice of every job application. So on the part 1 video, I talked about where you need to download the job description. Yeah, so after downloading the job description, you want to be looking at every bit in that job description, because those are the things you want to write about, and that is why I said it is the spice of every application. So you want to be looking at those qualifications that they want you to meet. You want to be looking at the job responsibility. You want to be looking at the criteria here. So with all of these things that I've mentioned, you're going to form your supporting information. You want to be selling yourself. You want to tell them how you have good managerial skills, you have good you are flexible, you can work in any department. You want to tell them how you can keep to time, how you have good organization skills, how you have good communication skills. Yeah, then those job description that they want you to do, you want to tell them how you've performed them in your previous place of work, or how you can actually do those things. So I'm going to do a separate video on how to write your supporting information. Then for some job, they'll be asking you for further questions. Say for instance, how you've done this particular thing, or how you've met this particular thing, or how you've helped a patient before. So you want to be telling them how you've done those things, how you've helped a particular patient, how you've done this procedure or anything. So sometimes, however, some jobs will not ask you for further question. Then the last bit is the reference. So you need to be like putting two people that can refer you. Say for instance, it can be a nurse, a doctor, but note somebody that can say positive things about you, and somebody that has an email, somebody that can maybe reply their message when they send them, because after you pass the interview, they'll be sending message to them via email. Then the last bit is just equality, like if you'll be needing any further help on that job application, then you declare that yeah, you have read everything and you submit. Please note, do not submit 2 applications, because if you do, they are going to reject the 2. So thank you. So this is the end of the video. If you need anything, do not forget to